Okay, so one of the things about Italy and about Italian culture is in Italy there is this ice cream, and the ice cream is called gelato, and gelato is like the best ice cream in the world, and you don't eat it in huge amounts, you eat it in small amounts, but each serving of it is perfect. And what's crazy is you'll see like businessmen in Milan wearing their suits, like still having an ice cream cone in the middle of the day, which is not something I think of seeing in New York City. But the best gelato you can identify by looking at the store, and the store outside says
artigianale.
Artigianale. And artigianale means that we make it here. The other term in Italian is made by hand.
Fatto a mano.
Fatto a mano. So not only do you have this sense of like artigianale, fatto a mano, but then underlying all of it is this Italian sense of like più bello. So if you're trying to set up a garden, or you're trying to set up a table, or you're trying to ride a bicycle through the mountains, it can be either aesthetic or it can just be the style in which you do it. And both of them have this philosophy of più bello, meaning like
more beautiful,
more handsome. And TM is the motorcycle overlap of all of that. So TM Racing makes exquisite motorcycles by hand, and they're not making them the most,
economical or efficient way.
They're not trying to make them like efficient, or they're not trying to necessarily make money. They're trying to make the best motorcycle that they can, because più bello. And we get to go into the TM factory and watch them make these motorcycles fatto a mano.
Yeah, so this will be very special. I'm really excited to see how a small factory like this makes everything themselves.
Nice to meet you. I am Roberto Aloi. I am International Sales Manager of TM Racing. The TM Racing is an artisanal company, and now production 3,000 bike per year. And but is a specialist in the world for engine for kart. And for kart is very famous, and 90% of the riders starting in the World Championship of kart racing used engine TM. And for this TM racing is number one for kart. The project is my focus is in 2 years go to 5,000 pieces per year. And in this moment production 3,200. And TM have a long story for racing department, and Enduro, Motocross, Supermoto, and Moto3, and Moto3 only for study the new possibility for technical solution for the future, for enduro bike, for motocross bike, and why you have many experience in Moto3.
So the development effort, like the research and development effort, has to be huge to try to cover all those different domains?
Yes, but TM have, is specialist for inside have all department inside, and in 10 minutes you go with me in the company and you see is a very strange company. Why 90% of the bike production inside, 90%.
90.
And I received only from Japan the front fork from Kayaba. And I received the injector from Kane from Japan, and XL the wheel, and other small component. But the injection system, I don't use the Lorto or other brand, but the production inside. I used only injector from Kane, but the production of injector of complete system of injection production inside is incredible. Yeah, and I production the rear shock inside. I don't use the brand, but I production inside. I production the triple clamp and all parts of the motorbike production inside.
And the electronics?
And electronics, all electronics production inside.
Wow.
And is for me in the world, is impossible. You see, and but you see the company in 10 minutes, and you don't have other reality in Europe and production all parts inside. This is the power of TM. I don't have problem in this moment. Many company have the problem for sell the bike. Why don't have the parts? Don't receive the material, and this is the big problem. And TM Racing now don't have problem for this. Why 90% are production inside, and I received the first material. I don't have problem. Why I working with Italian company for first material, aluminium and other components, plastic from Italy, and all parts I received from Italy. And 4 or 5 components I received from Taiwan and Japan, and stop it.
This is so unique that I'm having trouble catching up to it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like everyone else, it's like, oh, we get electronics, and you're like, no, we'll just make them all. And the bikes are not that expensive.
The price similar, same of KTM.
Yeah.
The price is same of KTM, but okay.
Maybe a few $100s more than a Beta?
Yes, Beta is the price is cheap, but TM the price is same of KTM. But you understand that the production of KTM is big,
much bigger,
incredible.
Yeah.
Yes, production 300,000 bike only here.
And
KTM.
You're making 3,000.
Yeah.
But spread across 15 models?
Yes. Yes.
So like how many 300 4-stroke fuel injection enduro bikes are you making?
It's important for you understand that TM is the first company used the injection system for 2-stroke. And in 2018 started the production of 300 and 250 2-stroke, and KTM exit in 2011, 2020. I don't remember, but the first company used the injection in 2-stroke is TM Racing, and first company used the aluminum frame for European bike, and the first is Honda for motocross bike. But TM Racing have many engineering inside, and have a long story, and production all. And but
how many employees are there?
Now I have 142 people inside.
142.
Doing 3,000 bikes a year, and then also supplying engines for kart racing? Did I?
No, this kart department is different, and production 5,000 engine.
Okay.
5,000 engine only for kart. But I am international sales manager of motorbike. And the TM Racing of kart is another department, is important department, but you check all today, but I have other guy organization, the kart department.
For karts. And how many motorcycles do you sell in the United States each year?
Now is important market in United States, and I have my distributor in California, in Morongo Valley, and sell in this year order 500, 600 bike.
Really?
Yeah.
So 20% of your total production is going to North
yes,
America.
but in this moment the request is very is incredible from all country. I received many orders from Australia. I received many orders from Russian. But the problem, now. But
we'll take all of theirs.
Yeah.
Yes, but in this moment, the maximum production for TM in this moment is 3,500 pieces. But I opened the order. I received 5,000 and 6,000 bike, and I speak only with my distributor in USA. Okay, stop at the order. I don't have the power. Stop. Okay. Step by step, and finish months, and started the number 4 container for USA, and you see the production now. And but the problem is the price for transport in this moment is incredible, go up, and 3 years ago. The normal 40 feet container, the price is $3,000, and now is $21,000.
That'll be back down next year, but this year it'll be high.
Yes,
Yeah.
but it's incredible. Why started the...
How many bikes can you put in one container?
72, 74, depend of mini bike or big bike.
$300 per bike just for shipping, just for that part of the shipping.
Yes, but the situation is very strange in this moment. Why 3 months ago, and the same container, the same measure is $15,000. The situation in USA is very strange. Why 80% of the market of off-road is California, and California. And only are change the system for homologation, change the authority, and is not cleaner the situation for the future for all company.
For the emissions.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, this is the problem, the big problem. The request of 2-stroke is incredible in USA, is incredible, and sell many bike Beta, my competitor, and KTM sell many 2-stroke. And TM sell many 2-stroke. In this moment, I sell in USA 70% of the market is 2-stroke.
So does each one of your models has to be certified for emissions separately, right?
Yeah.
And how much does it cost to have one model emissions certified in California?
The problem is my distributor invests a lot for regulation, and this is the problem. Why I don't invest directly?
Oh, so
okay, but my distributor, I invest for the special parts, spare car restore for exhaust, for USA market, special tank. Or other parts, I production for USA market, but for the paper, for the regulation, invest a lot the distributor.
Okay.
And started for the tour in the company, in the building, commercial area, and administration. This is my office, and this is the office of the cart department.
And your job is primarily to tell people to stop selling motorcycles?
Yeah.
Stop ordering.
Stop
No
ordering.
more orders.
We're sold out. Stop ordering.
This is the area of. This is the part. This is the parts of World Championship title. And this is Dovizioso. Use TM and Valentino.
So everybody, all the Italian greats.
Yeah. This is the special race in 2 December 2012, and the race for Simoncelli Foundation.
Oh, yeah. See, for Marco.
Yeah, this is only I changed this is the my rider for this year, Ruprecht and Cavallo and Pavoni is world championship, world champion of 2021.
That's awesome.
And started in this year in this area, and you see the situation. Only guy production the one type of engine. Is a specialist for two-stroke model 250, and another guy is production the engine of 300 two-stroke. Another guy production 452 four-stroke.
Okay, wait. Let me make sure I got this straight. So you've got one guy that builds 250 two-stroke engines.
Yes. This is the special.
And it's one guy who builds the whole engine.
From start to finish.
Start to finish.
Start and finish. I don't have the same. You go in MV Agusta, no? And you see the production is different of TM, and you see inside and go down, and you see the operator starting and finish the bike, and seeing the assembly the bike from Marco.
Artigianale.
Yeah, sure. Sure.
Artigianale.
Please.